Guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to get your official foreign TikTok accounts. So first things first, you have to download a VPN. So you have to head over to Play Store. So let's head over to Play Store. So you have to find a VPN. You can just search VPN on the search bar. Any VPN works. I have this VPN installed. VPN Super Unlimited Proxy. So anyone works. So let's just no need to update. Let me just open it up. Yeah. So I have this VPN. So you have to on this VPN. That's the first thing you have to do. Because if you are trying to open a foreign account, you can't do it in Nigeria, you understand, or any country, African country you are in. So you need to select a foreign location. So to do that, to be able to do that, you have to use VPN. So you can use any VPN that works for you. So yeah, once you open your VPN, you can select different locations. If you're using this one, that's fine. You can select the different locations. I want to select, don't select USA. I should mention that. Don't select USA. So you select any other foreign country, but don't select USA. So here I'll be using London. Let me use London. So just connect to the VPN and connected to the VPN. So to confirm whether you are actually your location have actually changed, you have to go to your Chrome, then search for my location. Then you can see my location, London. So this is how you know that your location have changed. So you can see the red map thingy on London showing that I'm in London. So once this is done, you can head over to the next step. The next step, which is logging in through logging into TikTok through the web browser. That's this Chrome. So let's head over to TikTok.com or whatever their stuff is. So let's just log in to TikTok through this. So we will register it with this in the web page. Then we'll use the details to log in on the app. So yeah. So let's wait for it to load. So get full experience on the app. Not now. I want to use this one to register. So yeah, allow or decline doesn't mean anything. Just let's set up allow or yeah. So head to your profile, click your profile. Once it opens, you see login to TikTok. You click login. If you don't have an account, you see the option to sign up. Once you click login, you understand. So here now you can see login to use TikTok app, use phone, email, username, use Facebook, use Google, use continue with Apple. By the way, I'm using Android here. So let's head over to don't have an account, sign up. So let's just sign up a new account. So click then we select we'll be using an email and phone number. Remember, yeah, I'm not using phone number, I'm using the email part of it. So we can select any date. Let it just be um old enough, you understand. Any month can be April, Sharon, April. So we are not using phone number. You can see the US plus one. So we don't have a USA phone number. So we switch over to email. So we'll be using email for this. So let's search for this. Let's add an email. So I want to use one of my emails. I'll use this one. Native Brothers is one of my emails. So you can use any email you have. So get trending contents related promotions, recommendations, account updates sent to your email. You can choose it or not, whatever. So we are selecting Native Brothers at Gmail and clicking next. So the network is a bit sluggish, so we wait for it to load. Then you select now create my own. I want to use my own password so I will not forget. So just create your own password. So once you're done creating your password, 8 characters, letters, numbers, and special characters, then it will take good. So yeah, click sign up. So they sent me an email. So I'll have to just confirm. Let me I'll check it on my second phone and copy the code. That's what I mean. So let me log in on my second phone and get the code for the from the email. So I'm getting the code. That's 70 20 70. So once you have put in the code, sent your email, the next thing is username. So I want to create a real account. So I'm creating I'm creating a real account. That's why I'm shooting this video as a tutorial for you guys. So I want to create a real account. So the name will be, so once you select the username, you just click sign up and it is done. So you see logged in. So automatically you get logged in, and this is the account Gen Z Farmer. And I should mention that once you create this account, you don't log into your former or your old you don't log into your old account that you created in Nigeria. The app, it must only be this account, this foreign account that will be logged in at all times. So yeah. So let me head over to the app. So like I'll show you how you know that you have created a foreign account. So I'll log in the other account that I just created. I'll log in to my main TikTok app using the login details. So I'll continue with email. Remember, we used our email. Remember, we used our email. So I'll log in, continue with email, save login details. Like I told you, once you log in, so once you log into this app, you should not re-log into your old Nigerian Nigerian accounts. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Let me get the code for this. I mean, once you log in to this new account, on no account should you log into the old one that you created in Nigeria or in any African country. Because if you do that, you automatically spoil everything that you have done, and it will show that you are not in Nigeria. I don't know if you understand the gist. So yeah. So this is the first video I'm seeing. United States. Um,
How to go viral on TikTok.
so let me show you how you know you have created a foreign account. So if you go to the settings area, you see TikTok Studio, Balance, my QR code, settings, and settings privacy. You first click the TikTok Studio. This is how to confirm that the account is foreign account. So yeah. So once you see this subscription, TikTok, shop seller, creator rewards, creators marketplace, work with artists, live insensitive, expected rewards last 7 days. This automatically shows you that you have a foreign account. You understand? These are not available in the other types. Monetization is not available in the other type of TikTok. So once you see this, you know you have created a foreign TikTok account, and that's basically how it's done. Remember the don't log in back to your old account you created in Nigeria or in any African country. Once you do that, it automatically spoils everything you have done here. So yeah. So this is basically how you do this. So if you found this video helpful, if it was educative, please like the video and share to people that might be interested in it. And as well, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. More useful content like this will be posted on a weekly basis. So your like and subscription is a way to support the ministry. You understand? So yeah, thanks for watching and good luck.